Hi guys, so today before us we have Euclid's division lemma. So usually, the general psyche is that we get kind of intrigued by this word Euclid's division lemma, alright? So today I'm going to explain this, in the simplest possible way so that you start liking it, and not reject it at its face value, So Euclid's division lemma. First of all, what lemma is? We need to understand what lemma is, Now, lemma is a proven mathematical, statement, As I have written over here, a lemma is a mathematical statement. It is already proven. It has been proved earlier, and that is used as a tool to understand or prove another theorems. Got it? So lemma is something that is used, for proving something else. Alright. So as simple as that, Now, this will not make much of sense unless I explain this to you, and in this context, I try to explain, taking an example at the same time. Alright. So, Euclid's division lemma states that for any two positive integers, a and b. Now, I'm sure you know what integers are. Integers, I assume that you understand, Now, they are saying that you have to take two positive integers, a and b. For example, let's take, take a equals to 25 and b equals to 6. Alright. Now they two are positive integers, correct? After this, we have to see that a and b are integers where a is or equal to b. A is greater and equal to b. B is 6. So therefore, what do we have? That 25 is greater and equal to 6. Now in this case, our A is 25 and our B is 6. So which one is applicable here? Obviously 25 is greater than 6. Equal to, we can't say. So we pick up this, that 25 A is greater than B. B is my 6. So till here, does it make sense? I'm sure it makes sense. After which, what do we do? So A is greater or equal to B. There exists a unique integer, Q. Unique. Every time you divide or choose numbers here, they will produce a unique Q. And R as remainder such that A will be equal to B multiplied by Q plus R, and this R must be smaller than B, and this R must be greater than or equal to 0. Correct? Got it? Now, let's go ahead. So, what do we do next? So, on dividing 25 by 6. What do we get? We get what? 25 equals to what? So this is our 25. B we know it's 6. So we write 6 over here multiplied by 4. 6 fours are 24 and remainder is 1 in this case, correct? Where what? Where R is smaller than 6, my 1 is remainder is smaller than 6. Remember, 6 is our B. And here, B is here. So, R is smaller than B. Also, our remainder, which is this, okay, is greater or equal to 0, okay, every time, greater or equal to 0. Okay, either the remainder is 0 or, okay, equal to 0. So this is our first example. So now can we not say that, okay, since what? Since A equals to B Q plus R, where the remainder is smaller than B and remainder is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, as per Euclid's division lemma. Okay, according to Euclid's division lemma. All right, simple.